now we are back to our egg run. So you see our contestants here. Again, Sabrina at blue, Hashmin at yellow, and Hiba at red. They're all going to be competing through our obstacle course in order to win this beautiful, nondescript trophy. But one key thing here, and we have Mo, our Eggman here, who's going to be handing me eggs throughout the different challenges. So as soon as they pass through one challenge, I will crack an egg on top of each of their heads. Technically, they'll be eggheads at the end of this.
Physical exercise leads to feeling physically and mentally well. Besides good nutrition, exercise will help our physical well-being as well as our mental health. Getting outside and either taking a walk or just being physically active is important.
And at the end of the day, at the end of the challenge, first person who gets it wins. Best of luck to all of you. Contestants ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go! All right, Hiba is here first with her first block and her first egg. All right, there you go. Go right ahead. Listen, I'm gonna be as careful as I can. All right, here we go. First yolk for Asma, there we are. And then, don't worry, we'll be careful. There you go. All right, all of them, each have one. Now we're here at the yoga. Everybody's collecting blocks. I'm so sorry. That is 2 egg yolks for you. There you go. Looking good. Go. I'm gonna get you next, all right?
Oh, that's not
there you go.
cool.
Carefully. If it spills, look at that, Sabrina, it's about to go. Now you get 3 egg yolks. 3 egg yolks. Look at that. Listen, you gotta crack a few eggs to make an omelet, right? That's what we need. Let's go. All right, planking, 10 seconds.
Hold on.
Go. 4. There you go. Here we have another challenge. No one has landed yet, but each contestant has to hit at least 1 egg in the basket. Okay, Hiba's got 1. Hiba's got none there. Okay, Hiba's the only one that got 1. You guys have to a little bit more aim. Okay. Oh, close. Here, I'll toss them back. Hasbin coming up. Let's go.
Bro, you got this win.
He got that. Come on.
You're winning.
Look at that. 5 egg yolks. 5.
You got this, Covington.
Come on. We got Hasbin here. Go ahead, come on. So all you have to do is line them up by the color. So yellow goes with yellow, blue goes with blue, stack it up, and then once you make the word spell, you've won. Underarm. Come on.
Girl, we're not basketball players.
He's at the finish line. Oh, that counts. Come here. Congratulations. This is what you get for winning. What are we looking at here for this challenge? Oh, you gotta do the Superman.
Okay. I ain't never gonna get left behind. Be careful, precise.
Okay, there we go. Precise, there you are.
1, 2, 3.
What are we spelling out here? What are we looking at? Some words.
It doesn't have to be just the blue side, right?
It doesn't have to be the blue side. Some of it can be.
It can be any word?
Yep, you just have to switch them around.
It can be any word, right?
But it can be any word.
But
what it is at the end of the day is some words match up. Match up the sides and their colors. Look to make the shortest word first. We'll see how that goes. Yep, we're gonna get some. Yep.
Did I get it?
No, you gotta have to stack it up on top of each other.
Am I done?
You got the word, but it has to be vertical. Is this done? And this is not the word, but you're close. Oh, she's got food. You've got food on that side. That's good.
Is it a word on the side?
And it's a phrase. Every side should say a word.
Yeah, I'm done.
Every side should say a word.
I'm done.
I don't think you're done. You didn't. Okay, that's it.
On the other side.
But what else? You need a whole phrase. You need a whole phrase.
Eat food.
This is painful. I would flip those. And then now,
Flip what?
what does that say?
Kalela.
What does that say? When you have food and you have heel and you have these 2 other letters, I'm spelling it out for you. I'm spelling it out for you all right now. You 2 are the closest at this point.
No, literally, I'm more worried about the fact that there's something dripping down my face.
That's part of the challenge. You're close.
Is that what it is? Eat food?
What kind of food are we eating? What
Healthy
kind of food
food.
are we eating? We are eating healthy food, always. Sabrina has won. Congratulations. That's the end of the game. Thank you all for.
I gave up a long time ago,
Do you
guys.
see where it is?
So
Eat
I did
healthy
that.
foods. I don't think that's. Listen, I don't think that's for me.
Did that?
Congratulations, Hazmet. Listen, man, you were very close. I saw you working there. And
High five!
all right, did you guys all take a lesson out of this about eating healthy foods, being mindful about exercise, diet,
Disgusting.
and where culture takes an integral role
Yeah.
in how we live our everyday lives?
Exercise improves mental health by reducing anxiety, depression, and just overall boosting your self-esteem. Exercise has also been found to alleviate symptoms of low self-esteem and social withdrawal. You too can feel better if you exercise.
Again, thank you all for watching today, and remember,
Eat healthy food always.
Woo. Congratulations, guys. Great job.